Greetings and welcome to the 2020 4-H Academy. This is the computer science track, and we are going to be learning some text-based programming using Python. The IDE that we're going to be using is Trinket.io, and the curriculum that we're going to be using, we are building with 101 Python challenges by 101computing.net. And sorry about that. They have a website and a book series that are both fabulous. They step through each step and cover all the important things that you'll need to know to program in Python. So the first thing that I want to talk about truthfully is Trinket. This is what you see on your screen right here, and it is a fabulous program to program in Python online, and we're going to be using it because it is free. However, that comes with a caveat. If you use Python 3, which is what I want you to use, you cannot save it unless you pay for their service to save it. I don't want to do that today, so I'm going to teach you how to download your code and then upload it back up. So once you have your code in here, and this I just pasted in before I started, you go to share and hit the down button and choose download, and it will download to your downloads folder. In your downloads folder, you want to right click on it and extract. And I'm just going to send it right to my downloads folder, and there it is, and it's a Python file. Now you can't upload back into Trinket a Python file, but what you can do, and now I just accidentally opened Python, is edit, open with, there we go, Notepad, and then I can copy it, and I'm going to choose Control C, not V, Control C. You can also right click and choose copy, and then go back into Python and paste it in. Nothing happened because it was the same stuff. But that is how you would save it from day to day. So if I was done, or I needed to take a break and I wasn't going to and I wasn't going to keep my computer on, I maybe needed to restart, I would definitely choose download. I also would do that at the end of each session, simply as a backup, and then you'll have a whole list of backups, which is a great way to check your progression, and if you get to a point of no return where you've messed something up, you can always go back a version. So those are just good habits to get into. So we are going to get started coding in Python now. Alright, there are a couple things that I want to point out when we're working in Python. The first is the pound sign, and that allows you to comment. So for instance, this is pound my superhero and the website that the code originated from. So that, if I was to run this, would not show up in my final product. So let's do that, and you can kind of see what does show up. Alright, so you can see that this really cool square with pound signs did show up. So let's talk about that. The word print always, or when you choose the word print, what comes behind it is in parentheses, and in this case, because it's a text, is in quotation marks, and that will show up. Even though it's a pound sign, the quotation marks override that pound sign and allow it to show up. So you can see here, what I have here, everything behind the word print is going to show up. And then below it says I am here plus name plus the period. So this says I am, choose a name for your superhero. This correlates up here. That means that this word name is a variable. And a variable means that I can change it. So if I wanted to say I am Wonder Woman, and there are people who think that I am, and I hate to say this, but Wonder Woman is not a 9, she is a 10. And so then it will print, and I'll do that in a second, it will print I am Wonder Woman. My strength score is 10 out of 10. So let's do that. Oh, awesome. I love it when it takes forever. All right, while that's running, let's talk about other things. If I wanted to add to this, I absolutely could. So for instance, I could say that I have a nickname. Now notice I started with capital N and then I went back and made it lowercase. It truthfully won't hurt the programming itself. See, there it came up. Oh, it came up twice because I ran it twice. And I'm Wonder Woman. My strength score is 10 out of 10. And that correlates to what I've written here. So, nickname, and I forgot to put the quotes, so I better do that. My keyboard is being grouchy today. Then, I can talk about my superpower. Now, here's what I wanted to talk about when I started talking about case with the N. This is called camel case, where the second word, it's all pushed into one word, but the second word is capitalized, and that's just a convention in Python. It's not a requirement, but it makes it a little bit easier to read, and it's what everybody else does. So as you move into further programming and you're working with other people, everyone will understand what you're doing. So it's a good habit to get into. So Diana's superpower is love. That probably is lowercase, even though it really shouldn't be. Her weapon, I'm going to spell that wrong, W-E-A-P-O-N, is the golden lasso. So now from here, I can go down here and say, okay, I'm Wonder Woman, my strength is my nickname is space plus and my superpower, misspelled that, is plus. And see, the plus just brings everything together, and it's got a really cool word name, but I can't remember it. And my superpower is now down here, it's important that I keep the same case. Plus sign, period. Alright, I'm not going to worry about putting the weapon in, and you'll see it won't show up when I run it. There we go, and that one came up fast. And you can see here I did make a mistake. So my nickname is space. I need to put a space right here so that that's readable. There you go. So that's how you use variables. That's how you use the print function. And that's how you concatenate. That's the cool word. That's how you concatenate or tie strings together. I know it seems kind of silly that you're doing hard variables up here and you could just type them in down here. I get it. Eventually that will translate into another excuse me, into another skill where you will actually be able to change the variable based on various parameters.